Quaker presents Your Breakfast Cereal. Co-starring Quisp, the quasi-energy cereal from outer space. And Quake, the earthquake cereal from inner space. Last time we left little Lucy in dire distress.
Help! The giant saw!
Our heroes dashed to the rescue.
Hold it, Musclehead. Saving girls in the nick of time takes speed. Like I get from Quake, the quasi-energy cereal that's sugary sweet.
I beg to differ, Shorty. Stopping saws takes power like I get from Quake. I sweet cereal with a deep down goodness.
Please! The giant saw?
Just call for Quake, little lady.
Ask for Quake.
Quake!
Wait, which hero will Lucy choose to save her from the giant saw? Which would you choose, Quisp or Quake? See our next episode, The Great Divide.